Hi guys, it's Judy here with my Life as Kikay. Welcome to today's swatch video. I'm going to be swatching for you guys the Juvia's Place Magic Eyeshadow Palette. This was the large one that they came out with. I'm not quite sure if they still have this one available, but I know they have the Magic Mini, or it might be vice versa. I know they have a version of the Magic Palette available on the Juvia's Place website. I just don't remember if it was the large one or the mini one that's available. I'm going to leave the relevant videos and playlists linked in the description box down below and in an info card up there if you guys want to check them out. I'm just going to play some music over it, and I'm going to edit into the video the shade names just on the screen somewhere as I'm swatching them. This is one of my favorite Juvia's Place eyeshadow palettes. Anyway, let's get to swatching. The shimmers in this palette are something else. Well, you guys, those are the shades in the Juvia's Place Magic Eyeshadow Palette. Colors in this palette are quite magical, quite stunning, and again, it's one of my favorite palettes from Juvia's Place. Definitely would recommend purchasing if you were interested in doing so. I don't have a coupon code. I'm not sponsored or affiliated with Juvia's Place at all in any way, shape, or form. Although it would be nice if they sponsored me at some point or even sent me like PR, because I have done so many videos using their palettes. I just really love their palette. Guys should check out my Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette collection. Gonna leave that linked. I've literally got almost all their eyeshadow palettes except for the Wahala. I missed out on that one. I was seething so bummed. I was actually kind of mad that I missed out on it, but hopefully they do a release again of that one soon. Even if it's still a limited one, I'm hoping I'll be able to snag it up. Anyway, this is the magic palette, you guys. Thank you so much for watching today's swatch video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in my next video.